This is why you need to start investing in stocks today. It's not just for the rich and famous. Let's break it down. First up, what is a stock? It's basically owning a piece of a company. When the company's value goes up, so does your stock. Step 1. Set your goals. Are you saving for a new laptop, college, or maybe that epic trip to Japan? Knowing your goals helps you stay focused. Step 2. Educate yourself. Read up on the basics. Websites like Investopedia are your new best friends. Step 3. Choose a brokerage. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. Popular ones for beginners are Robinhood, E-Trade, and Fidelity. Step 4. Start small. You don't need millions to get started. Even $50 can buy you fractional shares of big companies like Amazon or Google. Step 5. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different stocks to reduce risks. Step 6. Keep learning. The stock market can be unpredictable, but staying informed helps you make smarter decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick with it and watch your money grow. Happy investing. Step 7. Monitor your investments regularly. Keep an eye on your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Step 8. Advance your knowledge. As you get more comfortable, dive deeper into advanced strategies. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Always plan for the future and stay committed to your financial journey. Investing can lead to financial freedom and the life you've always dreamed of. Just like planting a tree, investing takes time and patience. But with dedication, the rewards are worth it. Happy investing. Step 9. Understand market trends. Keep an eye on market trends to make informed decisions. Step 10. Practice with a simulator. Use stock market simulators to practice trading without risking real money. Step 11. Automate your investments. Consider using robo-advisors to automate your investments and stay consistent. Step 12. Review and rebalance. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Step 13. Understand tax implications. Be aware of the tax implications of your investments to maximize your returns. Step 14. Plan for retirement. Start investing in retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks for long-term growth. Step 15. Consider ethical investing. Look into ethical and sustainable investment options that align with your values. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful investor. Happy investing!